Whoa! It's very rugged terrain.
Where are we going? We're gonna go sit on Uncle Dave. Yeah,
Whoa!
Come on, Papa.
I gotta sit on Uncle Dave too. I do. Can I choke? Okay, I'm gonna sit on Uncle Dave.
Whoa!
Did you hurt your bum?
Good thing you had your padding on.
Yeah.
Leo, in 1 minute we're gonna do our neb, okay?
With Papa.
With Papa.
Papa, Papa.
Papa, 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 papa.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
That's mine. This one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, where'd that come on? Where did that come out?
I don't know.
What is it? Tire.
Carol.
You all done?
It's the same size as this tire, but it's not the same.
How different is it? How did you know?
Carol. Akaya cook. Carol. Akaya cook.
Do you know what that is, Joe?
No. What
Something
happened?
about a truck?
The tire goes on that truck.
Oh, the tire goes on the truck? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh. See, Uncle Dave can understand you better than me.
Better than I.
Hey,
Better than
Bobby.
I can.
Hey, Bobby.
He's an English teacher.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby.
And
Not
Are her eyes gonna stay that
Mommy.
beautiful color?
and
What color are
Mommy,
your eyes?
Mommy
Same
can
color?
understand you better than me.
They're
Better than I.
Thank you.
egg. Akaya.
like gray
And
blue.
Uncle Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very